Solid Mind here, and today we are looking at a cheap eBay like bed phone holder. So I got this for around what was that? £5, £6, so dirt cheap. So there we go. It's coming out. It doesn't look too bad. It's currently in the plastic. Let's take it out. Make sure everything looks good. So I've been looking for this for a while because currently I don't really use like a phone holder to use before going to bed. So this is something that I thought, why not? Let me get it. Oftentimes these are for desks, so if you're in an office environment or you're in a kitchen, for example, you can just clamp it on and make sure that it works. But yeah, they look fairly nice, very plasticky, um, but that's not too bad. So in terms of other alternatives, see the metal one right here. This is one that I got a while back, and this does work. This actually costs more because it's metal. It's around £10 on Amazon, but I use that all the time. I'm getting my old phones out now. You know what? Let me know. Do you want to see me reviewing my old phones again in 2025? If I get even just one comment saying, yes, please review the OnePlus 5T, the OnePlus 6T, or the 7T Pro, like, I would do it. But yes, my old phone holder can hold the phone just fine. So let's see how this one does. So this is the OnePlus 5T, and I think it's above 6 inches. So it fits in there very tightly, but it can't connect. So I know that this. I'll put a link below in terms of where I got it from. You can find them. Actually, you know what? I won't, because you can find this on Amazon, on eBay. So this only works in portrait in terms of clipping onto the phone, which I actually prefer because then it leaves the sides for you to, have volume control, and it's pretty strong. So this is an old iPhone, and you can even see here it fits perfectly. It's still tight enough, which is good. And yeah, I do believe that for the price, it's not too bad at all. So let me see if I can even plug a cable through that tiny hole regarding the attachment. And so far, it looks good. No complaints so far. I actually feel that for the price, you really can't beat it. The only thing I don't like too much is how plasticky it feels, but within the actual metal spiral thing, as you can see, is like a very sturdy, like metal rod that can bend. Um, I like it. I like it because it's very strong, so you need quite a lot of pressure to readjust it. So I've actually been using this now for about a couple of days now, but it can hold my phone and the phone charger very well in almost any angle. So the only worry I have is this metal as I'm bending it. The metal gets weaker the more it's bent. So is this like a set it and forget it type of situation? Or can I bend this metal as much as I want? Only time will tell. So I'm gonna clamp this into a little like dishwashing attachment just to show you how it, clamps on. It clamps on pretty well actually for just holding a phone. It has enough force. There's a bit of like plus rubber on the feet so it doesn't like scratch up any surfaces. This ball head is pretty standard. I have a phone mount that uses the same type of ball head. So if I want to get a magnetic magnetic attachment to add to this, it's very easy to do that. Very easy. So just twist on there. So now it's perfect. And the beauty is the tighter I make it at the back, the harder it is to like tilt and pan and move the actual phone holder, which isn't too bad. But I trust it. Like this thing is sturdy for a fiver. It's not the prettiest, I'll tell you that. If there was any way to make it like like a microphone holder. That's a lot better. But you know what? It does the job. It does work. Look at all my old phones. So it can fit all the sizes, and even the bigger size OnePlus 5T, that's around 6.9 inches, 6.7 inches, and there's still a little bit of wiggle room, which means that even an iPhone 15 Pro Max, it will fit perfectly. This, I, th- I think for tablets, it can probably also fit them, but most likely only in the landscape orientation because of how big it is. But it fits my phone perfectly fine. I can charge it through the gap perfectly okay. So there is no like issues regarding that whatsoever. But thanks for watching, guys. End it there.